Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok watch history. It's a simple process that you can do in just a few clicks. So, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap on the three-dot icon on the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu of options. From here, select the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down the Settings and Privacy menu until you find the Comment and Watch History option. Tap on it to proceed. Select Watch History. Click on Select option to select videos which you want to delete from history, or you can select all by tapping on this and delete now. You can see that your watch history is now empty. You've successfully cleared your TikTok watch history. This can be especially helpful if you want to keep your viewing habits private or if you're sharing your account with others. Thanks for watching.